The book, we're going to try to film it, but I'm not sure where it is. I'm by the place they mentioned that is called Go Fish. Hi.
Hi.
I'm looking for a Greenpeace plaque of some kind.
Right through me, I forget how to talk. Morality pecks right through my feet, I forget how to walk. Only thing I have left to my freedom, my eyes paint orange sky to ocean, white clouds, islands, coloring no time. Only place where I can be with you forever, forever.
I am for a lot of things. I am for good small business owners. I am for freedom. I am for the truth. I am against big government, censorship, big tech, big media, all of the mainstream news. Why am I telling you all this? Well, there's a place in the 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss that is anti what they would call bad environmental practices. In fact, they're synonymous with those who have done a lot of activism having to do with protecting the waters, other parts of the environment, and of course being anti-nuclear, among many other things. You know, I'm against globalism in all of its forms. I am for nationalism. And so when I look at anything that's agenda driven, I'm very suspicious. But because it's in the book, we're going to try to film it, but I'm not sure where it is. I'm by the place they mentioned that is called Go Fish. Hi.
Hi.
I'm looking for a Greenpeace plaque of some kind. Greenpeace plaque. It's on the wall here somewhere. It's in my book, 111 Places in Vancouver.
No.
I don't. There is a anchor that is a memorial to like many sailors.
Not an anchor. It's a plaque right on the wall. It's 1500 Island Way. And it said...
It should be. Yeah, like right around there.
It mentions you in the book, by the way. Yeah.
Okay.
You didn't know that?
No.
Okay.
Never heard of this book.
Hold this. I'm going to show you in the book. I'm retracing.
Get me on it.
I'm
Oh,
retracing.
we're filming! Oh, I didn't even realize. Yeah.
The GoPro. Those things are so cool.
Talk about your restaurant. What is the history on this place?
Go Fish was founded in 2004. It's a partnership between a chef
Right?
and an appreciator of chefs.
And a what?
Oh, sorry. I don't.
You don't know the story.
No, I do. I'm multitasking and I don't want to get it. You know.
Follow the story. So if you look,
The Greenpeace
that's
plaque.
the plaque, and then if you look in the small fine
That's
print,
right here.
Oh, that should be right.
Oh, yeah, that's right
it's
there.
right there.
You'll be able to see it on the, yeah.
I can see
and
it
you
from
see
here.
your name of your place in there in the small print up on the.
That's the name of this place, yeah. Go Fish.
Wow,
Yeah,
look at
These
that.
guys,
2004.
Graham Menzie and Dave Dorgy, must have liked this place when they came in
Nice.
before 2019.
Love it. Yeah, I can see it. I can see the plaque right there. It's just.
How was the camera woman? Did you do a good
I
job?
think. Well, I didn't realize we were filming at first, but then I picked it up as we as we
I think
held
you're
up
professional.
the camera. Thank you so much.
Are you?
I got the chef a little bit. I got the sandwich making.
Are you ready to be famous on my YouTube channel?
I am so ready.
Okay, what's your
ready.
name?
No, I'm not.
What's my channel?
Famous. What kind of subscriber count?
Over 1,000.
Woo!
That's not bad,
I
man.
love it.
It's not bad, considering 97% all YouTubers are less than 100.
Excellent.
A few are over 5 million.
Oh, I thought you were talking about age of a user.
No, I'm talking about subscribers. Bye-bye. All right, let's see if we can find this place. They're trying to cook up fish and chips for people, so we want to let the... here it is. Greenpeace launched its first action from False Creek on September 15th, 1971, when activists set sail on board the Phyllis Cormac for Amchitka, Alaska, to protest nuclear testing. There we go. And there's the crew listed. And they're the founders. And there's a beautiful view. We've been here, Granville Island, done some YouTubes over there. There's downtown. Across the bridge, that's the Granville Bridge. Sorry, Burrard Street Bridge. Granville's there. Burrard's over there. And this is some kind of wharf where fishing boats come in and so let's take a picture yet of there. Go Fish in support of local fishermen. Open daily. So I guess I don't know a lot about Greenpeace. The little I do is not what ranks very high or positive in my mind, but then I can't like all 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Some I'm going to be neutral on, and some I may not find all that exciting, but faithfulness to my duty and my Scout's honor as a YouTuber, I promised you I would film all 111, even though some of them will be a very short clip, because not much is going to happen. And that was maybe one of the shortest, so we've got to add a little filler on top of it. Greenpeace, if you've got a comment or a thought, or can give me something that would help me change my mind about them as an NGO, I'm more than willing to engage the conversation with fellow truth seekers. Not interested in any kind of nonsense, but I am interested in the truth, and I only know in part. But what I know does not fit with who I am. That's just me, one person on this planet of some 8 billion. All right, I think we should go find something that's less polemic. Nah, we can be friends even if we disagree, at least from my perspective. I'm in the little town of Steveston Village. It's a south part of Richmond, BC. Richmond is where the airport is for Vancouver. It's where there is a very large Chinese community. Here in Steveston, it's a fishing village, a working fishing village, and over the years, people from Japan, China, Europe, First Nations, and others have come to work in the fishing industry. Today we're going to look at the Georgia cannery.